Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to research anything in minutes with a Grok 3's deep search mode. So basically what you're going to do here is you just have to go to grok.ai, and then here you can start your research. So here you can navigate to deep search mode. You should see that in the main dashboard. And then deep search is designed for in-depth research by aggregating information from multiple sources quickly. Enter your research topic, for example, effects of sleep deprivation on cognitive function. You can choose your auto, fast, expert with each of the information why you should choose this one. So for example, if you use the expert one, then you will see this result right away. So you can choose to prioritize scholarly articles, news blogs, and mixed sources. So if not satisfied, you can regenerate the answer. You can export this one. You can copy the link. You can paste it anywhere. Now, if you want to search again and then customize, so you can tap this one right here, set this to auto, fast, or expert. Everything is up to you. Now you can add here again another search title, for example, top renewable energy technologies. Press enter, and then you will see the result right away. Now, after that, you can check the result for relevance and accuracy. You can refine your query if necessary for deeper insights. For example, renewable energy adoption rates in Europe. You can press enter, and you will see the result right away. So once you're satisfied, you can now export or save results. You can download summaries as PDF or text, or save references for later use in research papers or presentation. And that's how easy it is to research anything in minutes with Grok's 3's deep search mode. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.